Feeling overwhelmed by intricate webs of issue relationships across your Jira projects? The linkedIssuesOfRecursiveLimited function lets you define the depth of your search so you only see the issue relationships that are most relevant to your tasks. So how does it work? LinkedIssuesOfRecursiveLimited uses a subquery to define your main issue, a recursion limit to control how many levels of linked issues you'd like to search through, and a link name to specify the relationship between your main issue and the issues you're searching for. Let's say you have a major release coming up. You have identified an epic that has multiple levels of dependencies included in the release. You now want to identify the most immediate and critical dependencies that need to be resolved in time for the release, without distant, less relevant issues getting in the way. Click the plus symbol to build your query using the Insert function dialog box. Select the LinkedIssuesOfRecursiveLimited function on the left. Add the issue key for your epic as your subquery. Specify the number of levels or how deep you want to search in the dependency chain. For example, we're choosing 2. And then select Blocked By as a link name. Click Add to Query. Search, and you'll get a list of issues that are directly blocking your epics, as well as any issues blocking those direct blockers. Any issues that are 3 or more levels removed from your epic have been excluded. You can also remove the link name from your query to return 2 levels of issues directly and indirectly linked to your main task, regardless of their relationship. Like LinkedIssuesOfRecursive, this function prevents endless loops by tracking processed links and stopping circular dependencies. This function is perfect for focusing on immediate or near-term dependencies that impact your current projects the most urgently, and providing clearer, more manageable insights into your project structure, helping you make better decisions faster. Take control of your project data with LinkedIssuesOfRecursiveLimited from Enhanced Search.